Unfortunately, it's not for you. It's about falling out of love. But hey, that's part of life. That's part of life. Sometimes we need songs that teach us how to fall out of love. All right. This is called Caribbean Blue. I hope you love it. Sunset to the face of my own. I found myself in the dark and despair, trying to wash away the memories of you there. I walked the beaches, I turned into the moon, but there's no salvation for morning comes to show. To face on my own, yeah. You left me dead.